In this video, we break down a real-world banking application architecture built with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud. Whether you're a developer, system designer, or architect, this guide gives you everything you need to understand how modern fintech apps are built. 1. Core microservices and responsibilities. A. Authentication service. Purpose: secure access using login, registration, and token validation. Key features: JWT token generation and validation. OAuth2/SSO Google, Facebook support. Password encryption using bcrypt. Tech: Spring Security, Spring Boot, JWT, Redis, token blacklist, optional. B. Customer service. Purpose: manage all customer-related data and operations. Endpoints: post/customers create a new customer. Get/customers/ID fetch customer details. Database: PostgreSQL or MongoDB. Security: only accessible with valid JWT token. C. Account service. Purpose: handle account operations and balance tracking. Features: create savings/current accounts. Link to customer ID. Fetch account summary. Database: MySQL/PostgreSQL. Security: verifies JWT and customer ownership. D. Transaction service. Purpose: process fund transfers between accounts. Flow: validate sender/receiver account. Check balance and limits. Debit/credit operation. Use distributed transaction or event-driven pattern. Save transaction record. Patterns: Saga pattern for rollback handling. Kafka for event publishing. Database: PostgreSQL. E. Statement service. Purpose: generate and download monthly/yearly statements. Workflow: call transaction service and account service. Generate PDF using iText or Apache PDF box. Security: ensure user owns the account. F. Notification service. Purpose: notify users via email/SMS about account activity. Patterns: asynchronous, listens to Kafka topics like transaction completed. Tech: Spring Boot, Kafka, Twilio, Mailgun. Supporting microservices. G. API Gateway, Spring Cloud Gateway. Purpose: single entry point, request routing, token validation. Features: rate limiting, path rewriting, logging and tracing. H. Service Registry, Eureka/console. Purpose: dynamic discovery of services. Setup: each microservice registers on startup. Gateway and others discover services via registry. iConfiguration server, Spring Cloud config. Purpose: centralized management of configuration properties. Git-backed configs. Each service pulls its YAML/properties from Git repo at startup. J. Monitoring and logging. Tooling: actuator for exposing metrics. Micrometer plus Prometheus for monitoring. ELK stack, Elasticsearch plus Logstash plus Kibana for centralized logging. Zipkin for distributed tracing. Communication patterns: synchronous communication, REST, between gateway microservices, customer, account, for real-time requests like viewing account details. Asynchronous communication, Kafka/RabbitMQ, between transaction notification, for fire and forget tasks like sending SMS, logs, auditing. Folder structure, monorepo. Banking app /auth service /src/main/java/com/bank/auth. Customer service /account service /transaction service /statement service /notification service /API gateway /service registry /config server /commonlib #DTOs exception handling. Docker compose.yml #all services for local setup. Transaction flow example. Use case: transfer 500 Indian rupees from account A to B. Client hits post/transactions/transfer via gateway. Transaction service: validates accounts from account service. Verifies customer ID with customer service. Debits sender, credits receiver, use Saga. Publishes event to Kafka. Notification service listens on Kafka, sends SMS/email. Statement service consumes data for future statement generation. Testing strategy. Unit tests. JUnit plus Mockito for business logic. Integration tests. Spring Boot test. Test containers. Contract testing. Pact.io for service interactions. API testing. Postman/Newman for automated API validation. Optional enhancements. Rate limiting. Bucket4j integration with gateway. Keycloak for enterprise-level identity/auth management. Fraud detection. Microservice AI-based scoring. Loan and EMI service. New module with business rules. Admin dashboard. React-based UI to view logs, stats. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Spring Boot and system design content.